Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I got questions from some of you asking me how can I make money with Amazon affiliate marketing? And I know that Amazon affiliate program is not attractive as it used to be, but you can still make money. And today I'm going to show you a free method that you can use to promote Amazon products and make decent money even if you are a beginner. So make sure to watch this video. First thing we need to do, we need to find a niche. And that niche must be something that can potentially go viral. For example, funny t-shirts. And because I'm a man, let's say funny t-shirts for men. And now we need to do two things. Thing number one, we need to check are there enough products that we can promote. And thing number two, we need to check potential of that niche. So here in search bar, I will just type funny t-shirts. And as you can see, first suggestions from Amazon is funny t-shirts for men. Then for women, for men adult humor, for dad, for men adult humor offensive, and so on and so on. So this already has a potential. But I will stick with funny t-shirts for men. Click search. And like I said, we need to check two things. First thing that we need to check is, are there enough products in this niche that we can promote? And as you can see, there is more than enough funny t-shirts for men that we can promote. And thing number two that we need to check is potential of this niche. And as you can see, there is actually lots of potential in this niche. Almost 1500 reviews, on average 4.7 stars. Almost 2700 reviews, 791 reviews, 1800 reviews, 1600, 3800 reviews, and so on and so on, which means there is a huge potential in this niche. And for t-shirts, that is no wonder. You can always sell t-shirts. In t-shirt niche, you can always make a lots of money. Okay, we found our niche and we checked that niche. There is lots of products that we can promote and there is a good potential in this niche. So now we need to promote these t-shirts. And for that we are going to use one of the most popular viral websites. You probably heard for this website. This website is called Bored Panda. And many people don't know that you can register on Bored Panda and publish your articles. Registration process is really simple. All you have to do is just add your username, add your email, add your password, confirm your email, and you are good to go. But let me first show you potential of this website. When you go on SimilarWeb and when you scroll here, you will see that last month Bored Panda got more than 22 million visits. And when you scroll here, you will see that more than 50% of users come from highly developed countries: United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, and Australia. And let me show you proof that affiliate links are allowed on Bored Panda. When you go on this article, for example, and when you scroll here, you will see this message here. This post may include affiliate links. Also, when you go on this article here, and when you scroll here, you will see same message. This post may include affiliate links. And when you scroll here, you will see Amazon. And when you click here, it will take you to Amazon product. And when you check this link here, you will see that this is actually Amazon affiliate link. So if you buy this, someone will receive a commission, affiliate commission for that. But you have to be aware that you cannot promote ClickBank products, Digistore24 products. You cannot even promote all Amazon products. So be careful. And you can also use this article as an example how your post should look like. As you can see, it must have catchy title, short intro, and then add photos. To make post on Bored Panda, after you register, you need to click here, add post. Click here. You will come to this page, and as you can see, you can add post, you can ask question, or you can start a challenge. We wish to add post, so I will click here, add post. Now you need to upload photo. Let's say click here on browse files, and let's say I will upload this photo here. Now we need to add title, and like I said, it should be something catchy. Let's say 10 funniest t-shirts for men. And now we need to add description, and the description must be 100% unique. But for this example, I will just go back here and I will just copy this. I will copy this. But like I said, your description, your intro must be 100% unique. As you can see here, they will give you some guidelines. But I will close this And here you will choose the category, and as you can see there is lots of categories. I will click on funny. You should add tags, and here you should add a link. So you just say www.zoran.com, and you can also add more images, more photos and videos. Just click here upload, and to add your link, your affiliate link, just click on this image, and here you can add title to this image, you can add description of this image, and you can add source. Just click here add source, and here you can paste your Amazon affiliate link. So for title, let's just say drunk. And let me just take affiliate link for this product, even though this is not a t-shirt. So I will click here on text, and I will just copy this Amazon affiliate link, and I will paste it here, paste, and that's it. Now this is important. When you finish, before you click here on submit, first you have to click here on save draft. It will take a few seconds, and then you can click on submit. But I will just click here on preview to show you how this looks. And this is how it looks. And this is the link to my imaginary website, and this is my Amazon affiliate link. When someone click on it and buy this t-shirt, I am going to get a commission. Of course, I added just one photo. You will add more photos and it will look much different than this. And the more posts you make, the more points you will get. As you can see here, 95 points this article got. And the more points you get, the more editing options you will get. And you will be able to add links here in the text. And you should always promote your Bored Panda posts. Promote them in Facebook groups, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Reddit, on Pinterest, on different forums, and so on and so on. And because this is Bored Panda, there is less likely that you will be marked as spammer. And in that way, you will get more points, you will get more editing options, and not just that, but Bored Panda will start sending visitors to your posts. And some of those people will click on your affiliate links, and some of those people will buy those products, and you will start making money. So this is how you do Amazon affiliate marketing using free traffic, even if you are a beginner. Guys, if you wish to learn how to make perpetual income, I will leave you a link in description. For those of you who don't know what perpetual income means, that means that you will make money month after month after month after month. And all you have to do is just set up the system and maintain the system, and you will have enough time for yourself, and more importantly, you will have more time for your family. So like I said, I will leave you a link in description if you wish to learn how to make perpetual income. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.